What do you need to work with Light Captain? To work with Light Captain, you need either an iPad with iOS 14.5 or higher, or a suitable Android tablet. This should have a screen diagonal of at least 10 inches and be operated with Android 8.0 or higher. You can also ask Eurolight directly whether a particular tablet is suitable for working with Light Captain. The Light Captain app from Eurolight can be found in the App Store or Play Store for suitable devices. The trial version is free to download. This allows you to try out the app first before deciding to purchase a paid version. Depending on the range of functions, there is then a smaller and a larger version to choose from. We will give you more information on the individual versions in Part 4 of this tutorial. The paid licenses are valid for life, which means that future updates are included in the price. To operate Light Captain, you also need an interface that outputs DMX signals. There are currently two options for this. With the Eurolight FreeDMX AP Wi-Fi interface, you can establish a wireless connection between the tablet and the interface via Wi-Fi. The devices to be controlled are then connected to the interface either by cable or wirelessly via DMX. Alternatively, Light Captain can also be used wired. This requires the Eurolight DXT-PoE ArtNet Node 1 interface, a standard USB to Ethernet interface, and a LAN cable. In this case, the devices to be controlled are connected to the interface via DMX cable.